Consider a diagnostic ultrasound of frequency 5 MHz that is used to examine an irregularity in soft tissue. What is the wavelength in air of such a sound wave if the speed of sound is 343 meters per second? Okay, so speed is frequency times wavelength, and wavelength is
I'm gonna wear happies in my hair and stuff.
is so in air it's 343 meters per second and frequency is 5 megahertz. Okay. And hertz is 1 over seconds.
Oh, let me ask you.
So this is equal to 68.6 into 10 to the minus 6 meters. Okay, so that's the wavelength in air. Now let's see what is the wavelength in tissue. So the wavelength in tissue is V times V over is 1800 meters per second divided by 5 into 10 to the 6 hertz, which is 1 over seconds. So this is 3.6 into 10 minus 4 meters, 0.36 into 10 minus 3 meters, 0.36 millimeter. Okay. All right, that finishes the problem.